Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular notifications, I started one Telegram group channel. So I provide that link in the description box of this video. You may join in that one. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the guest faculty notification from multiple departments and having the multiple vacancies. And here the selection is based upon the walk-in interview. So you need not to send any physical applications here. So whatever the walk-in interview date and the time is mentioned, so you have to appear at the time. And these vacancies are announced from the state university. So let us see the in details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is a Pondicherry University. So I will provide this official link in the description box of this video. You may check down. So here the walk-in interview for guest faculty in Department of Commerce, Mathematics and Computer Science and Banking Technology, Ecology and Environmental Science. Okay, and Computer Science and Department of Hindi and the Department of History and the School of Law. So you can load here more. So whatever the department you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the in detail notification regarding that one. So you can check down. Applications are invited from interested candidates for the following guest or visiting faculty positions. Okay, one position is there. Essential qualification M.Com with finance and taxation, UGC NET or JRF or PhD in commerce. And coming to the honorarium is 1000 rupees per lecture and maximum 25,000 rupees per month. Interview date is 29th December 2020, morning 11:30 AM and the place is Dean's office. Okay, so the selected candidate shall be able to join from 1st January 2021 onwards. The engagement of selected guest faculty will be till the last working day of the academic year 2020-21 or till faculty positions are filled up, whichever is earlier. So it is the commerce. And like that, while coming to the sociology, you can check down the minimum qualification. Here the two guest faculty positions are there. The minimum qualification is PG in sociology with minimum of 55% marks and UGC NET or PhD in sociology. So preference will be given to the PhD candidates. And the 23rd December 2020, morning 11:30, Office of Dean, School of Social Science and International Studies. Okay, and the salary is 1000 rupees per lecture, maximum 25,000 rupees per month. The appointment is purely temporary. No separate intimation will be sent to the walk-in interview, and a TADA will not be paid to attend the interview. So it is for the sociology. So like that, whatever the link I am providing in the description box of this video. So please go through whatever the departments they mentioned there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such notifications. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.